Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to remove a high pigmentation, dark spots and browny spots problem and also get a crystal smooth skin. So let's start how to I make this face pack. I will show you. At first I take rice flour. Then I take yogurt. I use this lemon juice to make this face pack, but it's optional because if you do not want to use lemon juice, you can use this tomato juice for this purpose, because few people do not use lemon juice because they have rashes for this lemon juice user. So please try to use tomato juice. Now I will show you how to make this. I take 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Then I take 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Now I take half tablespoon of lemon juice. When you use tomato juice, you can take half tablespoons of tomato juice. Now mix it. This face mask is so easy to make it. You can use this face mask in your face, hands, legs, neck and blackheads, high pigmentation, brown spots and dark spots area to remove your dark spots. And also you can get, if you get a crystal smooth skin, then you can use this type of face mask all full of your body. When you apply this face mask and leave it, then leave this face mask on your skin 10 to 12 minutes. After dry this face pack, just wet your hands and little bit your skin scrub, because your dark spots and acne spots and high pigmentation area is remove your spotness, and also your skin get a glowing and crystal skin. Just massage your skin 5 minutes, then wash your face or skin with normal cold water. Use this face mask or face pack 3 or 2 times in a week. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel.